Hi guys, this is your budgetarian besh JLU and welcome to my channel. Our video for today is going to be how to make bitter juice. Bitter melon juice. Ayun. So if you want to see how to make bitter melon juice, then please continue watching. So ito nga mga besh, gagawa tayo ngayon ng bitter melon juice kasi recently I found out that my dad is diabetic. So ngayon, kailangan niya mag-take ng insulin. And aside from going to the doctor and taking his medicine, I was thinking of how to help him na medyo mag-level yung kanyang blood sugar. So, I did my research, and aside from yung red juice and green juice. By the way, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung green juice or how I did my green juice, then ililink ko siya dito sa taas and also down in the description box para meron kayong reference. Kasi dun sa mga diabetes, parang na-research ko na red juice and green juice are also good dun sa mga diabetic. Ngayon, yung red juice, kung di nyo pa yung napanood, ililink ko rin siya dito sa taas. And also, down into the description box para mapanood nyo yung red juice. So, I did green juice and red juice already. So, ngayon, based on my research, by the way, mga besh, alam ko na ang mga Filipinos, mahilig sila mag-self-medicate. Pero, kung mga natural naman, wala namang problema. But I still suggest for you to do your homework. So, mag-research tayo. Ngayon, ang nabasa ko, or according to my research, pero ililink ko rin yung mga, yung mga URL or yung mga links nung kung saan kung ano yung mga nabasa ko. So, ililink ko rin siya sa baba para at least meron din kayong reference kung saan ko nakuha yung mga information. So, according to research, yung bitter melon juice, kung 1 week mo siyang iinumin, magle-level yung blood sugar mo. So, especially dun sa mga may diabetes na type 1. So, kung type 1, they would suggest na bitter melon juice and 1 apple para hindi masyadong mapait. Ngayon, kung type 2, they only suggest bitter melon juice lang. So, yun. And since wala tayong juicer, gagawa ako using the blender. So, i-strain ko lang siya and to get the juice. Tapos, so ayun, ngayon, ano ba yung mga benefit nung bitter melon juice? So, sino ba yung pwedeng uminom nun? Mga diabetic lang ba yung pwedeng uminom nun? Yung mga ganon. So, guys, yung mga beshi, ang 7 health benefits of bitter melon juice is number 1, it helps in maintaining blood sugar levels. So, yun talaga yung main factor niya or yung main benefit niya. Number 2, it lowers bad cholesterol levels. Number 3, glowing skin and lustrous hair. So, if you'll notice, yung red juice meron din nun for the hair and nails, ganyan, or skin. Pati yung, I think green juice also have that parang benefit. Tapos, number 4 is, it cures hangover and cleanses the liver. So, ayan. So, kung may mga bad hangover kayo, you can also use this. Tapos, it also helps in weight loss. So, yung red juice and green juice, meron din siya sa weight loss. And also, tong bitter melon juice, meron din. So, number 6, it boosts your immune system. And last but not the least, it is great for your eyes. So, ngayon, mga besh, kung may nagkakasya inyo at di ka pinapansin, painumin nyo ng bitter melon juice, baka luminaw ang mata, mapansin kayo. So, ayan. Ano ba ang mga gagamitin natin sa bitter melon juice? Is 2 bitter melon, in short, ampalaya, and also 1 apple. So, ayan. Yun lang. Ipe-prepare natin to, and I'll be right back. By the way, mga beshi, yung pag-inom ng bitter melon juice, kung hindi kayo diabetic, only 30 ml per day. So, ganon. Kung diabetic kayo, not more than 100 ml per day. So, hindi pwede na mag-overdose kayo dito sa bitter melon juice kasi titirahin niya yung uterus mo. Kaya, kailangan kung for parang gusto niya lang kasi gusto niya magkaroon ng mga glowing skin, ganyan. 30 ml per day lang. Kung diabetes, katulad ng tatay ko, kailangan not more than 100 ml per day. Okay? Ayun lang mga besh, natapos na nga itong bitter melon juice and mapait siya. Of course, ano pa bang lasa ng bitter melon? Edi bitter, para sa mga taong bitter char. So, ayun lang mga besh, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also i-ring nyo na rin yung notification bell para naman ma-notify kayo every time na may bago tayong video. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week, usually on weekends, and I do travel, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness. So, yun lang mga besh. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah!